gotta get out of my head a bit, out of the negative, out of the pessimist posture of doubt where everything's relative and everyone is my nemesis. Yeah, I just gotta get out of my bed again, get back in the game, though I might never win. The fight might never end, and nothing is forever. Every day is heaven sent, and everything is better when I'm out of my head. The second I'm stepping out, whenever I look at you, the second I left the house, the scent of the fresh air, the wind that carries us, the feeling we'll get there. That's when we deal with what's real. Can't numb the pain to heal. One must feel the hurt for a season, but it hurts for a reason. Done